Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Islamic Pulses. Students, today we are going to study a new topic, that is Islamic culture and civilization. In this video, we will discuss some main points of Islamic culture and civilization, and the points are basic concept of Islamic culture, history of Islamic culture and Islamic civilization, basic concept of Islamic civilization. First of all, we'll check what is Islamic culture or what are the basic concept of Islamic culture. Muslim culture represents the unification of all the cultures influenced by common beliefs and practices. The guiding religious phenomena and cultural aspects bind its people historically. The religious practices and beliefs of Muslims are centered around the religion of Islam. The original Muslim literature is in Arabic, the Prophet's language, and the most of the literature in religious in nature. It comprises communication and documentations of the belief system from the Quran, सीरत and Hadith. यानी कि हम कहते हैं कि इंसान के जो नज़रियात होते हैं, जो उसकी सोच होती है, जो इस्लामिक कल्चर को हम देखते हैं तो उसमें जो एक प्रॉपर तालीमात हम तक पहुंची है कुरान मजीद के हवाले से और नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जो सीरत उसके मुताबिक है, तो उन बिलीव्स को मानते हुए उनके मुताबिक जो है उस सेटअप को जो है ना उन पर यकीन रखते हुए नज़रियात को देखते हुए जो है वो इस्लामिक कल्चर कहलाएगा. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज हिस्ट्री ऑफ इस्लामिक कल्चर. व्हाट इज़ द हिस्ट्री, व्हेन इट वाज स्टार्टेड and secular Muslim literature developed into the Umayyad Empire. It was taken by the Arabs to distinct lands and became part of a popular culture in due course of time. Persian became one of the main languages of the civilization. In the subcontinent, syncretic poetry from the Sufis propagated the foundation of Muslim culture. What is Islamic civilization and what is the definition of Islamic civilization, and what is Islamic civilization defined as a social system which helps man to increase his culture output. अब कल्चरल आउटपुट कैसे हमें मिलेगा कि इंसान की जो सोच होती है, जो नज़रियात को लेके वो चलता है, जिसके मुताबिक वो एक सोसाइटी में मूव करता है, जो उसको जो है ना वो एक ज़िंदगी गुजारने का जो तरीक़ाकार मिलता है, वो उसकी सिविलाइजेशन कहलाएगी. बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इस्लामिक सिविलाइजेशन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 मेन एलिमेंट्स, जो 4 मेन एलिमेंट पर जो डिपेंड करती है: इकोनॉमिकल सोर्सेज, पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, मॉरल ट्रेडिशंस एंड सोशल एंड आर्ट्स. The development and progress of a civilization requires many factors such as geographical and economic factors and psychological factors such as religion, language and education. The collapse of civilization stems from factors which are the opposite of those which lead to its rise and development. The most important of these destructive factors include moral and intellectual lawlessness and breakdown of social system, the spread of oppression and poverty, the spread and apathy, and the lack of competent and sincere leaders. अब जो अगर इसमें कोलैप्स आता है या इसमें ख़राबी आती है, वो क्या होता है कि इंसान के नज़रियात है उससे अगर अगेंस्ट में हम जाएंगे और जैसे कवानीन हैं उनकी हम पाबंदी नहीं करेंगे, जो सोशल एथिक्स हैं उनके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपनी लाइफ जो अपनी सिविलाइजेशन है, जैसे इस्लामिक सिविलाइजेशन आ रही है, उसके अगेंस्ट हम जाएंगे जो नज़रियात हैं, तो वहाँ पर जो है ना वो फिर ये चीज़ प्रॉब्लम करेगी. व्हाट इज़ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इस्लामिक सिविलाइजेशन? In the beginning, the Muslims were both open and cautious. They borrowed and integrated elements of other cultures into their own. The new religion of Islam, which we will get to in a moment, adopted elements of Christians, Jews, and pagan religion beliefs and practices. The Muslim tolerated religion minorities within territories they had conquered so long as they minorities recognized Islamic political rule, paid taxes, and did not proselytize among Muslims. Still, the Muslims were careful to protect the purity of their religion, language, and law from any foreign influence. With the passage of time and with increased conflict with both Eastern and Western Christians, this protective instinct grew stronger. In the end, Islam culture did not Islamic culture did not penetrate the West in the same way that Germanic culture did, but would remain strange as well as threatening to the West. Fundamental to Islam was its religion. This, of course, it fundamental to Islam was its religion. This, of course, is true for the medieval West as well. However, we know more about early Christianity than we do about early Islam, and the reason is clear. Christianity was produced by a literature culture. Islamic religion, however, was formed largely in an illiterate nomadic culture. These are some we discussed about Islamic culture and Islamic civilization. Inshallah, in second video we will discuss some main characteristics of Islamic civilization. Thank you so much for watching this video. Inshallah, we will discuss other topics in our next video. Allah Hafiz.